everyone, this is Lavisha and I'm a student here at GBS Dubai. I'm pursuing my HND in Healthcare Management. Living and studying here in Dubai has been an incredible journey for me. This city has taught me so much from my professional growth to my personal growth. So after my 12th grade, I was looking for colleges in different parts of the world. So one of my uncles suggested me this course and the college in Dubai. So when I researched about it, I thought that it was a good choice for me. So I came to GBS Dubai. Studying here at GBS is quite exciting. The faculty here is also very supportive. When I first found out that I have secured the internship at the medical center, I was very grateful and very thrilled as well, because whatever I have learned in my class, I would be able to implement it in the healthcare setting. So the experience and the knowledge that I have gained in my classes, both of them together will really help me in my future. At the medical center, I'm majorly doing the observational part. So I'm observing how, coordination works for the patients, how administrative works are done, how bills and finances also works in the medical centers. Thank you GBS Dubai for this wonderful opportunity.